What a beauty this little oscillating fan is from AMACOOL. Classic vintage construction on this. This is the beautiful dark green, but it does come in other options too. Doesn't take up a whole lot of space within your room, but man, when you want to move some air around, this is what you want to choose because it is a nice little powerful fan packed into a beautiful design, and it just works really well. I just have this in a small bedroom here, but it can work in a larger room too. I'll give you an idea of what the fan speeds are. First, I'll take it over to the lowest. Certainly I've heard louder fans than this one that are not putting out as much air. So there's level 1, level 2, and level 3. Obviously a little louder with the third level, but still I think most people could be able to sleep through this beautifully, just creating a little bit of white noise because it is not loud whatsoever. Turn it off here and show you the features in the back. You can have it not oscillate at all just by using this knob to be able to turn that off. So if you want to point it in one specific direction, you have that option too. So all metal construction, this thing is going to last for years. Just was really put together well, and you're going to love how it looks in your room too. It's a great little fan to be able to have. I would recommend.